Do that one dance, baby. Nykaa made it very easy for me. I don't have to open the lid. You can see that coming. And I looked like I've applied mehendi on my lips and forgot about it. It's the star of the show. The Huda Beauty. It's going somewhere. So hi you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then I'm Pratyusha and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, makeup, skincare, beauty and much more. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, and that means the whole world to me. So today's video is going to be a Nykaa haul video, huge Nykaa haul video, and I'm going to show you what all products I have purchased from the Nykaa Hot Pink sale. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the products came in like 3 different boxes, in which this is one of them, and one more box is sitting right there, and one more box I have thrown it out. So these are like all the, thank god it's safe. So I'm going to start with the favorite products of mine and the products that I have stocked up. So this is the first product that I got. This is the COSRX low pH good morning gel cleanser. It's just with the right pH, I mean the low pH. If you're someone who faces breakouts because of the pH level or skin irritation or something of that sort, then you can go with this product. The first time I bought this, I've heard a lot of reviews about that one, so I got it and I loved it. That's the reason I stocked it up again. So the next product we have is Dot & Key Glow Revealing Vitamin C Serum. I love the packaging. So good. It's magnet actually. So I can't say if this works well, because after using this I didn't find any result in pigmentation which it claims to do, but for sure it eliminates the dullness and brightens up your complexion. If I had to choose between the Minimalist Vitamin C Serum and the Dot & Key one, I would choose the Minimalist Vitamin C Serum. The reason I got this one is that I got this deep pore cleansing or cleanser for free from Dot & Key. This is what it looks like. So I haven't used it yet. I will use it, and I'm gonna make a separate video on first impressions for all the products. So I got these two for rupees 900 or something, 950 or something. I'll make sure I link the price over here or somewhere. Just check that out. So the next product that I restocked is the Pond's Super Light Gel. It contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, which are good for skin. I use it only before doing my makeup, and that gives a flawless finish. So the next item that I restocked is this Lotus White Glow cream. If you know me, then you know how much I love this cream. I also mentioned in my skincare routine video. If you haven't watched that yet, then please go and watch it. So I got a very good offer, nearly 30% off on this, so I restocked. I'm using one tub. I have one more tub, and again I ordered it because of the sale. So the next product that I restocked is this Dot & Key Probiotic Gel Moisturizer. So this is also similar to the Pond's Super Light Gel. The color, the texture, the fragrance, everything is like almost same. I'm gonna open and show you. Look at the product. They both kind of look similar. The texture, the color, and the fragrance too. So now comes the few items that I am gonna try for the first time. So first we have the K-Beauty foundation. Now I heard a lot of reviews about this one, so I'm not sure which shade is gonna suit me. So based on my skin tone, my friend suggested me to take this one. This is in the shade 135N medium. So the next product we have is the lip mask, N Pucker lip mask, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, this is a very tiny bottle for the price. This is how it looks. So this is almost like, this is very tiny. Coming to the fragrance, it has a very bad fragrance. I mean, at least for me, I didn't like the fragrance. So the next product I have is this Color Bar Sharpener, to sharpen your lip crayons or your lip liners or something of that sort. I don't know, every time I shop on Nykaa, I used to forget. I used to think I should get a sharpener, but I used to forget it. And on Nykaa Hot Pink sale, finally I got it. So the next products are from Flower Beauty. So the first product we have is the Flower Pots blush. Yeah, this is a powder blush. This is in the shade Peach Primrose. So this is how the blush looks like. So this is kind of orangey pink, pinkish orange, or whatever you call it. So I'm gonna give it a swatch. This is super pigmented. See, this is how the color looks like. And the next one is this Flower Beauty Miracle Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Crimson Touch. This is a pretty red shade. I mean, in mobile it's like you know, maroon matte lipstick, but when it came out, it's like a bold red lipstick, which I already have. Yeah, this is how that looks like. The next one is this Flower Beauty Bomb Blush. This is in the shade Melon. Yeah, this is in the shade Melon. So this is how it looks like. And to show you up close, I'm gonna take a very little bit on my hand. A very little bit, because it's too pigmented. Oh my god, even one drop is like too much. I think one drop you can apply both of your cheeks. So when you apply it on your cheeks, it looks something like this. Just gives a beautiful pink flush to your skin. And the next product we have is the Flower Beauty Fanatic Pop Lip Vinyl. Yeah, this is a lip vinyl. This is more of a lip balm. Oh, I thought it's a pump, but no. So this got like a lipstick wand. I thought it's a pump. It's like, it's not matte, it's gloss. And the next product we have is this Flower Beauty Full Coverage Concealer. Not sure if the shade suits me. So it's on 50% off, and every shade is like out of stock, and I have bought in the shade Medium Honey. This is how the concealer looks. And the next product we have is the Petal Pout from Flower Beauty. This is in the shade Nectar. So this is kind of lip balm. It has got a cap. Oh, it's got a cap over on top of it, and you're supposed to rotate it like this, and then the product comes out. It's got no color or pigment or anything, but it just gives that nice gloss feeling on top. If you have a matte lipstick and you want that to be glossy, then you can just put on that matte lipstick and you can top it up with this thing. That's all we have for Flower Beauty here. And I have to get two products from Flower Beauty, which one is foundation and the other one is primer. So this is the foundation that I ordered from Flower Beauty. This is the primer that I ordered from Flower Beauty. This is also on 50% off, and it's now out of stock. So the next product we have is this Taco Pore Whitehead Remover. I honestly got this for cute packaging. Anyways, I also have whiteheads. I have a lot of whiteheads on my nose. The next product I have is the Face Shop Tint Lip and Cheek Tint. Now, I have been craving this product from so long, and it is always out of stock, like always. I luckily got this product also. Soon after I ordered this product, then these are also out of stock. So yeah, this is the one, and this is in the shade this is how it looks like. It's the texture is like so liquidy that so that you can apply on your cheeks and blend it out. It just blends so good. I've already used this. You wash your lips, the pigment is not going. It is so pigmented. So if you want something like that, I mean, I am someone who can't live without a lip balm, a lip tint or something. There should be something on my lips 24/7. So if you're someone like that, so you can go with this one. You can just apply it, and the pigment is going to stay for too long, and if you apply it in the morning, it's going to stay till the night. So yeah, definitely give it a try if you love lip tints or lip balms. I am someone who doesn't know how to apply eyeshadows, but still I got this one because I wanted to try. I want to learn how to use eyeshadows, but I'm halfway there, I guess, because I created a look with this one, and I didn't shoot because I just normally did that. So this is the Makeup Revolution Creative Volume 1 palette. This has got like dark colors, almost everything. So this is how the palette looks like with beautiful shades. With the beautiful shades, beautiful pinks, nudes, yellows, everything. It almost has everything except green, I guess. This is still on discount. It is originally for rupees. This is originally for 1500 rupees, and on discount it is for 750 rupees, which is great for Makeup Revolution palette. So if you're someone who need, I mean, all kind of colors in one palette, then you can just invest on this one. Or if you're a beginner, then you can just invest on this one. And next comes the star of the show, the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. I had no idea I'm gonna buy this palette because this, firstly, this is, dude, 5,375 rupees, and I have no guts to invest that much amount on a makeup product. I have MAC products, but that's not like 5,000, 6,000 rupees, right? That's somewhere around 2 to 3,000 rupees, and that's okay. I went to the offline store, offline Nykaa store, Elf Cosmetics, then I was trying the Flower Beauty, Makeup Revolution, and all of that. There is a separate section for Huda Beauty. I went to Nykaa, but I never went to that Huda Beauty section because the prices are going to be so much. I won't buy that costly products because I don't have to. I mean, there is no need for me to buy Huda Beauty products. I don't know what took me to that section. So I went there and I took out this palette and I took few colors and just applied like this. The pigmentation, I have to tell you, is to die for. And they're just gliding on like butter. The colors, I'll show you. So this is how the palette looks like from outside. And I love her. I love Huda. I love Huda Beauty products. I love Huda, but I don't want to buy Huda Beauty products because they're so costly, man. 2,000, 3,000 for one lipstick. I can't. So this is how the palette looks like with beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous colors. I bought it from offline store. So from the day I bought this, I came home day. I'm taking the colors, I'm applying on my hands. I'm taking the colors, I'm applying on my hands. Finally, yesterday I've created a look using the Makeup Revolution one. I mean, separately, the Makeup Revolution one and the Huda Beauty one. I just can't wait to make a separate video on the Huda Beauty palette. Yeah, these are all the products that I got from the Nykaa Hot Pink sale. If you like this video, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, please, please, please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. Also, if you got any products from the Nykaa Hot Pink sale, then please don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Take care of yourself. Make sure you are following all the safety precautions. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye. So for the purchase of 5,000 rupees, the Nykaa has given this freebie with Janhvi Kapoor's autograph.